So in today's video, we are going to talk about some of the tips that will help us to prevent the spread of disease infection in a poultry farm. I come again, tips to prevent disease infection in poultry. As we know, poultry farming is a very profitable agricultural business. So it is the joy of every poultry farmer to make more profit or more money in the business. So in today's video, as I've earlier said, we are going to talk about some of the tips to prevent disease infection in your poultry farm. Number one is always obtain your hatching egg or day-old chick from a reputable hatchery or dealer. This one is very important. You need to buy this your hatching egg or your DOC at a reputable hatchery or dealer so that you will have a quality bet that will benefit you and bring more profit to your poultry business. Number two, if possible, house chickens by age group, separating younger birds from older members of the flock. Young poultry need time to develop immunity, so you need to separate your poultry birds. Let the younger one be in another cage or in another house, then the older one be in another cage or in another house. Don't mix them together. It will help to reduce the spread of infection in poultry farm. Another one is limit farm visit and access to your flock. So by visitor to prevent the spread of poultry disease. So if a visitor would like to see your chicken, ask them to wear overalls and gumboot. I request that they avoid visiting any other farm before visiting your farm so that they will not carry those infections from other farm to your own, because disease can be carried through your overall, your boot. So it is very important to give your visitor overall or boot or even face mask. This will help to prevent the spread of poultry disease in your farm. The next on the list is separate new birds bought for at least 3 weeks. During this time, ask your vet to visit your farm and check on their health status, vaccinate and deworm them. This one is very important. So by separating this your new bird for at least 3 weeks, you are quarantining those birds. You will make sure that they don't come with any disease from their farm. So after that, you can mix them together with your birds. Another one is provide clean living quarters for your flock. It is very important. Remove manure frequently. Both virus and parasite that shed via feces. So it is very important to remove this manure or their poop. And immediately remove any feed or bedding that become wet. It is very important because all those bacteria can store up or pile up in that place and thereby infecting your bed. Wood shaving is most preferable as it produces less dust, so use wood shaving as your bedding material. Number 6 and last on the list is ensure that there is good ventilation in your building where you keep your flock. So ventilation is very important. Ensure that your poultry house is well ventilated so that your bed will be receiving fresh air and bad air will be going outside. Give your bed enough spacing to move about. In addition to what we have earlier said, it is very important to practice biosecurity. So biosecurity is very important. And again, consider having a good vaccination program for your bed. This will prevent outbreak of viral infection for which there is no treatment. So when you follow all these tips we outline in this video, it will help to prevent disease infection in your poultry farm, and this will make you to have more profit in your poultry business. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like our page, follow us and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video. Bye.